Let me teach you how to make money from websites. I've made over $1 million in the past 3 years using affiliate websites. I've built myself a big site network that enables me to make monthly profits each month using SEO and affiliate marketing. Why should you take the course from me? My name is Eugene Madondo. I've been doing digital marketing since 2012. I first started my own fitness blog, which then led me to a career path in digital marketing. I first started off with blogging and social media marketing, but then I fell in love with SEO. Then I got experience working for agencies, working for startups, in some of the most competitive niches. I now work with e-commerce companies in the US, so I know what I'm talking about. If you want to learn about digital marketing and how to make money online, it's best to learn it from someone who does it for a living. I've been able to make more than 18 million rands, $1 million in the past 3 years using affiliate websites. And in this course, I'm going to teach you exactly how I do it, step by step, showing you some views from the back end to see how everything is set up in order to achieve this. So I recently launched a course called Rank to Earn. Why should you do Rank to Earn? If you want to learn how to make money with websites, then the best thing to do is to learn from someone who's been doing it for over a decade. Learn from someone who actually does this for a living, for international clients, and who's worked for international companies. I'm not just some random digital marketer. I'm an experienced SEO with in-field experience. What you learn from Rank to Earn is the following. You'll learn how to build profitable affiliate sites. I'll teach you how to achieve this in 5 simple steps. The first one is I'll teach you how to find easy to rank for, low difficulty keywords, and how to find profitable niches. I'll also teach you how to find affiliate deals in any niche that you choose to pursue, as long as you find low difficulty keywords. I'll teach you how to create great content at scale that gets ranked on Google. I'll also teach you how to build backlinks on a budget so that you don't have to break the bank just to make your site work. Backlinks are an important part of getting traffic to your website. And then I'll teach you, through all this process, I'll teach you how to rank your site and make money. As soon as you rank your site and it's monetized, then you start making conversions and you do conversion rate optimization. And then you'll repeat this process in order to build your own website portfolio to make you money. Now, this whole process is modeled after the system that I've built that's enabled me to make over $1 million in the past 3 years. $1 million in rands is about 18 million rands in the past 3 years. And I can show this to you. I'm going to put a screenshot of one of the affiliate programs that made me this money. And then I'm going to teach you how to do the same for yourself. I'm going to reveal the step-by-step process